See the thing about love, that it's not enough if the only thing it brings you is pain. Comes a time when we should all make a change, dog. Just let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out right, just let go. Woo! Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it go, baby. But sometimes love can't work out right now. And sometimes you'll never know it. You never know. Don't be afraid to let it go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out right, you know. Let go. Let it flow, let it flow.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
Beautiful, Jasmine, with all that jazz. You have a pretty voice. There's no question as to that. I wanted, even though you kept moving around and so therefore you were flowy, I don't know, something about it just needed to connect more. I think the message of the song was very empowering, and I think you needed to really embody that more. Yeah.
Conroy.
Started off nicely, the sound and the look. You look fabulous. But it didn't go anywhere. It just kind of petered off. I didn't believe it to the end of it. I mean, through the song, you just weren't as believable because it's not really a smiley song. It's one of those kind of emotional, connecting songs.
Anthony.
It wasn't so much how you sounded. The sound wasn't bad. It's just the lack of involvement, investment in the song. I didn't believe you. You didn't connect with the song, and hence you delivered another uncertain, tentative performance.
Thanks, judges.